Welcome to Carnegie Burroughs How a Rain Garden Works animation. Rain gardens work like a sponge and natural filter to clean water, allowing it to percolate slowly into the surrounding soil. Soil is removed and replaced or amended with a more permeable mixture of sand, topsoil, and compost. A completed rain garden will have a slight depression, and its size depends on the amount of water expected to enter during rain events. Trees, shrubs, and perennials are planted and then covered in a layer of mulch. How it works. Native plants contribute to native wildlife. Soils. Amended soils allow filtration and easy root growth. Cover. Gravel or mulch offers soil erosion control, trap moisture, moderate soil temperature, and add reinforcement during storms. Runoff from impervious surfaces flows to the rain garden. Small boulders or berms near the edge of the garden keep water in place during heavy downpours. Rainwater is temporarily stored in the depressed garden bed. Native plants with deep roots soak up water. Amended soil, a mix of topsoil, sand, and compost, filters the remaining water, removing pollutants. Plants grow, creating beauty and habitat for a variety of fauna.